All right, we're gonna do a double check. And you're sure we're not gonna find it out there? Is there any other car that you drove here?
No.
Are we sure about that?
I have a different car. It's a Jeep 2021.
And that's out in the parking lot?
Yes,
Okay, so you didn't take an Uber here.
no, I'm gonna take one back.
You must not want your license at any point. You are here in court for driving without a license, and you drove to court. Does any of that make sense to do? Does that make sense to you?
No.
Then why did you do it?
I didn't have nobody else to take me here.
Well, your choice of an Uber that you lied to me about, that sounded like a good choice. Why didn't you take an Uber? Why didn't you take an Uber?
I'm gonna take one back. I'm not sure.
That doesn't answer my question. Why didn't you take one here?
I wasn't thinking.
Wrong. That's wrong. You were thinking that you really don't have any respect for the law because you're going to continue to drive. That's what that tells me. And it also tells me that you didn't make proper accommodations to get a ride here today. It also tells me that you probably drive back and forth to work on a regular basis, and that the majority of what you said to the court is not honest. What did you think I was going to do if you told me from jump that you drove here?
I'm not sure.
Well, you must have thought something because you told me a lie. Did you think I was sending you to jail?
No.
Well, then why didn't you just tell me the truth that you drove here?
Because I didn't want my car taken away again.
Well, then perhaps you shouldn't have driven here. You are not going to be permitted to leave unless you're picked up by an Uber or somebody else. And then you have to make arrangements for somebody to come get the car. Because if it's still here at 5 o'clock, it will likely get towed. And if you're the one coming back to drive in it, you will likely be arrested and the car will be towed. Am I making myself clear?
Yeah.